In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable more sensitive content on Instagram. By adjusting your account settings, you can choose to see more sensitive posts on your feed. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit and tap Suggested Content. And then tap Sensitive Content. Now you have the ability to choose how much sensitive content you want to see. To enable more sensitive content on Instagram, simply tap and select the More option. This is exactly how you can enable more sensitive content on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.